Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best camera bags that are trending in 2024. Let's start with this. The dual shoulder camera strap bag is a unisex, lightweight photography essential made of durable nylon, perfect for Canon, Nikon, and Sony SLR cameras. With adjustable straps and protective features, it's ideal for on-the-go shoots. Priced at just $28, 41% off for Black Friday. It boasts a 4.4-star rating from over 2,800 reviews, with 513 plus sold last month. Customers love its practicality, comfort, and sleek design, making it a highly recommended choice for photographers. Free shipping and returns add to the unbeatable value. Next up, the premium waterproof and advanced security camera backpack features a compact design with customizable compartments, perfect for travel and securing digital camera gear. Made of durable Oxford fabric, it's both stylish and practical. Priced at $15.66 with an 80% Black Friday discount, it holds a stellar 4.8-star rating from 43K plus reviews, with over 3,200 sold recently. Customers rave about its quality, versatility, and unbeatable value, enhanced by free shipping and returns. Again, the waterproof protective camera case bag combines durability and style, crafted from sturdy canvas with a shockproof and rainproof design perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring multiple compartments and a retro charm, it's ideal for travel, hiking, or daily use. At $16.99 with a 70% Black Friday discount, it boasts a 4.7-star rating from over 42K reviews, with 780 plus sold last month. Customers love its practicality, vintage vibe, and comfort, enhanced by free shipping and returns. Next, the vintage canvas camera bag is a waterproof, stylish storage solution for SLR and mirrorless cameras, featuring a lens pocket and available in multiple sizes. Crafted from durable canvas, it's perfect for casual use. At just $2.49 with an 85% Black Friday discount, it holds a 5-star rating from over 10K reviews, with 110 plus sold last month. Customers love its design, practicality, and unbeatable price, plus free shipping and returns make it an even better deal. Last but not least, the solid color ultra-portable camera storage bag offers spacious storage for cameras and travel essentials. Made with abrasion-resistant fabric and padded straps, it's lightweight and durable. Priced at $11.14 with 75% Black Friday savings, it's rated 4.9 stars from 23K plus reviews, with 845 plus sold recently. Customers praise its quality, versatility, and vibrant colors. Well, that is for today's video, a roundup of the top 5 camera bags that you must go on today. Whether you prioritize durability, style, luxury, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product, and happy shopping!